Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of week 3. And so when we are looking at week 3, what we have is, again, your vocabulary and quizzes is due on Tuesday. You have a fronts passage with questions because you know we love our cross-curricular stuff where you learn about reading and about science or math all in the same activity. Thursday, you're going to need to have finished creating a weather map, and you're going to have to also do your weather tracking reflection. So you're going to take your weather tracker that you've been using, and you're going to reflect upon what you've noticed about the different days or maybe temperatures, the different cause and effect relationships that you see. On Friday, we are going to finish our weather infographics, and you're also going to share them, okay? And then you're also going to be taking a end of the unit survey. So again, on day 11, vocabulary with quizzes, track your weather. Day 12, you're going to be learning about fronts, about cold fronts, warm fronts, and this right here, what will the weather be? This is what you're going to be doing. Again, it will be posted in Google Classroom, so make sure you're checking that as well. And then once you read all that information, it's going to be super helpful when you move on to your next activity. Day 13, again, this is about the fronts. You're going to create your own weather map like you see on TV, which is super awesome. And don't forget, we get to share these with the weathermen that emailed us previously. So make sure that you're working hard because they cannot wait to see what you have. Day 14, you are going to be using your weather tracking sheet to reflect. And it says right here, at least one paragraph long that includes 8 sentences. So please do not come and say, is 3 sentences enough? Because it's right here in the directions. You're also going to sign up. Are you going to be presenting your s'more infographic on a screencast, which is what this video is on, or are you going to be doing it in person? So you need to decide that. And track your weather. And then day 15, you're going to be doing an end of the unit survey, which is similar to the mid-unit survey, but it's a little bit longer. You're going to finish your storms infographic section, so that would mean that the whole infographic is complete and ready for you to share that day as well. So again, keep it up. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you. Thanks.